Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and most of you are going to recognize this from a video yesterday if you watch enough of my video. And a gentleman sent it to me and he goes, "How'd I do?" And he did great. And then I actually sent him an email back saying he did great. Then I just found a few little common errors. In one of them, he's got two different colors. I hope that you can see that on your monitor, that this is an RGB black and the outline's a CMYK black. So just get rid of the outline. And then you could bring and actually change that outline to RGB too. And then just hit this and pop it right there. Now we've changed the angle a little bit, but who cares? It's your drawing. Need to bring this down a little bit. So I've got one of them fixed. One of the 10th, or one, there's 10 of these. So how do you delete the rest of them? Set your nudge factor on like 5 inches and start moving the star, moving the outline of the star, moving the circle, moving the text, even move that circle and then moving that text. And then you could go through here and we've got this one fixed. So anything on this line we can delete. And there was actually a ghost ring there. I call stuff that you can't see that's there a ghost. And we need that. See, there's a ghost ring right there. So now we've got it. Let's look at it in a wireframe to see if there's anything else here. I don't think it'll mess him up, but yes, there's another set of lines that aren't really there. And we don't need them. So then go back to View and Enhance, and we have this part. And Control G and group it together. Then hit your rotation twice and put it in the center. Thankfully, I'd already put it in the center. Now let's make a duplicate by Control D and rotate it 36 degrees. Now, if you keep in mind that we changed something, but we're good. Now we're a little bit off there, but we're gonna have a black line fill that up. Control D, 72 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, and we're good. Then all you have to do is move your stuff back. And because this line is going to take up those lines, we don't really need to do anything. You can actually grab all these, and I'm just using the left arrow key, and you're good to go. And just make sure all your colors are RGB. Make sure they're the same color. Especially he's engraving this on a cup. Look at your star. It's an RGB. The line is an RGB. You could actually just select the whole thing and make it well, you can't do that. You can't make an RGB black because it'll turn in those cylinders. But that's going to engrave a lot better I've still got a little bit of tick. And so if you're doing it for real, pay a little bit more attention when you're doing it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.